I took over a year off and cut you bitches some slack. Tell a friend to tell a friend. She's back.
Good morning. Happy Wednesday. I'm going back to work today because we just had a snowstorm, a blizzard. We had a blizzard and we closed Monday and Tuesday. But today I have to go back. Just doing some skincare. I just got this from Sephora from Peter Thomas Roth, an under eye cream. And I hope it works. I did not want to go to work today. It's been real nice sleeping in. I use this day and night, this Rhode glazing milk. And then lastly, some SPF and moisturizer. I love this one by La Roche-Posay because it's combined 2-in-1. Some chapstick, if I can open it. And I'm ready to go. It's lunchtime. I brought lunch today, but my glass container dropped and shattered into pieces with all the food, so that is no longer eatable. And luckily some restaurants are open, so I got Wara Wara. It's so good. Let me show you. This is the salmon bento box. So it comes with salmon, Brussels sprouts, rice, and then usually it comes with fruit, but I just did double Brussels and teriyaki sauce. It's so good. It comes with salad too, but this is like our favorite at the bank. Okay, I thought I would give you guys a little TJ Maxx haul. I went in there for a purpose. I want to improve my nighttime routine, specifically my sleep. So I got a few things related to that, and of course some extra things along the way. Okay, let's begin with no particular order. I got this grippy thing to put on the back of my phone. Where's my phone? I don't know. So that I can stick it anywhere and just be able to film easier. Because we are on our grind. We're on our grind. The next thing I got, I already used. It was a pink charger. I just needed one for my car. I don't know why. I don't know if this happens to anybody else, but my car charger always ends up breaking. Like, it'll start like disconnecting. Like, I'll do a turn, it'll disconnect, but it'll come back on. Or I'll just like hit a little bump and it'll disconnect, and it's so annoying. So we're gonna just get a new one. I got some chocolate. I always have a sweet tooth after lunch, so I'm gonna put this in my work bag. None of these things are for my sleep routine. Come on, Nat. Come on, Nat. I got some teeth whitening strips. I'm gonna try this brand out and hopefully see a difference. Now we're getting into some sleep items. So this is mouth tape. I drool when I sleep and I hate it, so we're gonna try this. And then I also wanted to get like a little mist for my bed to put right before I go to sleep, just to calm my nervous system and smell good and relaxed. I feel like this is the perfect touch. This was just a re-up because I am running out. I love this when like I don't need to like fully wash my face, but I still want to clean my face. This is it. I just realized only 2 of the items I got today were from my sleep routine. Okay, whatever. The last thing I got is this facial steamer, and I got this for multi-purpose, not only for my face but for my hair too. My hair gets so dry, and I feel like this was definitely gonna help it retain more moisture. So I'm excited to try this. Okay, but I do want to talk more about me trying to perfect my night routine, because I truly think that having a good night routine and getting good sleep, 8+ hours, is going to have you have a better day tomorrow. Have a good morning routine, wake up good, wake up feeling energized. So let me run you through my little list. This is in the works. I'm going to try different things out and see what works for me, but right now we have number 1, put my phone away and put it to charge for the night, face down. We're not gonna touch it. Step 2, turn on the heat. I don't sleep with the heat on. I just warm it up. Be conservative over here. Step 3, light a candle. Set the vibes. Because next we're gonna go shower. And once we come back from the shower, we want that smell to hit us. Oof. Okay. We're in the shower, we're doing our body care, putting our shower oils, doing all the things, okay? Once we come out the shower, we're gonna brush our teeth, floss, mouthwash. I think that's the wrong order, but that's how I do it. I've always seen people floss first. Am I doing that wrong? Is there a reason people do that? Let me know. Okay, after that, come back in, put deodorant on, do my skincare, do my body care, put cuticle oil on my nails. Okay, that's it for that. Then my hair, put dry shampoo on my hair because I go to the gym every day, so it just needed. And then put my hair in a pineapple and then put my bonnet on. Okay, and we're done with the body care and all of that. We're gonna put a matching PJ set. That's important. Gotta look good. Okay, next we're gonna do our daily stack, which is 1, our nighttime journal. I do the 5-minute journal and it has a night section, so I pull that out, thank God for the day, and then get my agenda and planned for my next day, plan for tomorrow. Okay, and then we're also gonna prep our work clothes, put that out, and set up our gym bag with our gym clothes to do after work. After that, it's time to get into bed. But before that, we're just gonna spray some of this, some lavender to calm ourselves down. Okay, spray, spray, spray on the pillow around the room. Gonna put my lip tape on, and then we're gonna read a chapter of our book and go to bed. So that's what I have currently. I did it yesterday and oh my god, had good sleep, and I woke up 6 a.m. ready to go. Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. It is 50 degrees out. We just had a blizzard, and I mean blizzard, like 3 feet of snow, and a few days later the sun is shining. Like, I got my sunroof open. Vibes are high. Vibes are high. Right now I am going to get some more permanent jewelry. Oh, you can't see it. Hold on. I'm gonna get some more permanent jewelry with Giselle, Felice Forever Jewelry. We're gonna do my birthstone. She's doing that for free for your birthday, so get on that. I'm with Giselle.
Hi.
So she has these Meta glasses, and we just recorded the first clip, so let's go look.
Let's see.
Okay, fair.
Can you see the audio from the glasses?
Yeah. Oh, you can't.
No. Oh, okay, now it's fully imported.
Okay. The quality
is good, right?
Yeah.
But as you can see, as you get in, it gets a little bit more like pixelated. You see? Cute. So this is how, because that one is the same size as the pink opal. So if you want to see how it looks like together, it would be that one.
That's nice.
Yeah. But I would do like a smaller link here.
So we'll do this one.
Sounds good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, period. Okay, period. Oh, so okay.
Period. We're getting all the angles.
No, literally. So you have a nice stack going on right now, right? So where do you want it to lay? Cute. Cutesy.
Period.
Period poo. Period.
Period.
Period. And that's a wrap. Period. I love it.
Okay, hopefully you can see me okay. I'm gonna show you what I got at TJ Maxx. So I decided for the self-care item, I'm gonna do a pack of face masks and this red light therapy massage thing. I heard that this is really good for like acne and dark spots, so I feel like this is a good combination and it's perfect for a self-care item. And of course, found something for me. I know I told you guys that I'm trying to improve my sleep routine, so I found this sleep mask to put, this eye mask to put over me while I sleep, make everything dark and promote better sleep. Okay, period.
Todo la mía, bailando con su flow, la pista se enciende, su actitud de diva. La noche soleada, un trago en la mano, su risa contagiada. Baila hasta el amanecer, sin miedo a perder. En la oscuridad, somos solos y no hay vuelta atrás. Reggaetón en el aire, track que nos hace volar. Contigo yo quiero perderme, esta noche es para disfrutar. Las luces parpadean, su cuerpo se mueve. Me acerco con cuidado, su mirada me eleve. Hablando en susurros, el ritmo se siente.
She's the worst!
Baila hasta la
What is this wrong? Oh, this is good.
Reggaetón en el aire, track que nos hace volar. Contigo yo quiero perderme, esta noche.
Hey DJ, no me apague eso, que se va la magia. Súbele a la plena, que el barrio lo pide. Los pies se desatan, la tristeza se despide. Sube como fuego, baja con dulzura. Este ritmo cura toda amargura. Desde San Juan hasta Panamá, oh, la calle suena con dignidad. Oh, en cada esquina hay un tambor. Y cada golpe es puro amor. Súbele a la plena, que se sienta fuerte. Esta es la receta para vencer la suerte. Súbele a la plena, que no hay más. Oh, DJ Fininho, o brabo do submundo.
Night, ela é a gata, mais gata da balada. Vem me mama gata, vem me mama gata, vem me mama gata, vem me mama gata. Night, ela é a gata, mais gata da balada. Vem me mama gata, vem me mama gata, vem me mama gata, vem me mama gata. Night, ela é a gata, mais gata da balada. Vem me mama gata, vem me mama gata, vem me mama
I wanted this one because I could peek this. Oh, yes! Do not steal. I already plan to put my matcha in here. I already planned to put my matcha in here. So, oh, these are good.
What is that?
Chocolate. And a mist. Yes.
That's pretty cute.
And
So the top you do step 1, the mask is step 2.
At work.
Hay cosas que no se pagan. Te debo noches enteras y abrazos que no volví. Yo fallé sin darme cuenta cuando más pensabas en mí. Te debo
guys. So this morning after church, I went with my parents to my aunt's house and we just spent the day there, had lunch. I showed you guys a little bit of that, and now we're home. It's also March 1st, so that means we have to plan our new month, which is what I'm gonna do. I just tried the facial steamer that I got at TJ Maxx. That was really nice. It didn't last too long, I will say. Maybe like 3 minutes. But it felt nice to just do my skincare. I have my eye mask on now. And we're just gonna have a good rest of my Sunday night doing my night routine. I'm just gonna journal a little bit about today's service in Mass. And have that be my journal entry of the day. Okay, I just did my little journal entry and I prayed. And now I'm gonna move on to reading my self-help book. Currently, I'm reading Everything I Know About Love by Dolly Alderton. I just started this. I've only read it once so far. And I picked this up because I've struggled with love a lot. I just want to be more in tune with love, with loving myself, having standards, and never letting another person abuse me, and making sure that the next time I give my love to somebody else, that it's someone who deserves me and that God will, and someone that God wants for me. So I thought this book was nice. I just spent the rest of the night planning my month. We also set our goals for the month. So let me share it with you, because why not? So I only set 5 goals this month. The first one, you guys already know, I want to perfect my night routine, because this is really gonna help me succeed in everything else in my life, in waking up early and getting my morning routine set off good, and just overall, I know it's going to be a game changer. I just know it. Second, it's my birth month, so having a solo birthday date. I have some ideas. I'm thinking maybe I can go to the spa on the day of my birthday, get my freebies, you know, just spend some good quality self-care time with myself. The third one is it's called Budget Wednesdays. I get paid every Wednesday and I want to make sure that I do my budget on Wednesdays. I always do my budget, but it's late. It's always late. It'll be like a week, 2 weeks later, and I just need to be more ahead, because you can't budget after the fact. Like, that's just tracking at that point. I need to be doing it when I get paid so that I can actually set aside money for things and have an actual budget. You know what I mean? The fourth one, read 2 books. I did this for February, so I want to do it again for March. One is going to be my book club book, which is Can't Get Enough by Kennedy Ryan. And the other one is going to be the self-help book, which is Everything I Know About Love by Dolly Alderton. And then my last goal is you guys. I want to post a YouTube vlog. I'm aiming for one, hopefully more, but I haven't been on YouTube in so long, so I just want to get back on there, get back to vlogging and editing, and that would just fulfill me so much. So those are my 5 goals for March. And I wrote down for my mantra of the month, I'm a lucky girl. because I am, and all the opportunities are gonna come to me, and everything that God wants for me, it'll come. So I'm just so happy. Life has been good to me recently, and yeah, like I can say that I'm a lucky girl and all of this, but truly it's what you make of life. It's your gratitude and what you do to make sure that you feel like you're the luckiest girl in the world. Cutting off the people who don't serve you, getting yourself into a good routine, doing things that fulfill you, that fill your cup, setting boundaries. There's so many things that you have control of, and yeah, it's luck, but it's also your own doing. So do with that with what you will. Is that the saying? And then the next page, I have my monthly to-do list. Just quick things like getting my nails, all my self-care things done, decluttering the month before photos. That is something that I'm so bad at. I have so many photos that I don't need, so many videos. I need to get better about doing that. Ugh, that's been on there for a while. Every month I clean my car. I want to organize my iPad apps, so that's on the list. I really need to get on creating a website for my business and then creative studio. It's just like, it just feels so daunting. Like creating a website is so much work, so tedious, like, and every time I think about it I'm like, oh no, I just want to hire somebody. But like I really could do it myself. I went to school for this. Like, come on girl, get your shit together. And then I need to purchase a laptop charger, because you know I need to be editing for YouTube, and how can I edit without a charger? Come on now. And then I also just did my to-do list for tomorrow, and I did like a weekly to-do list on my sticky note. So all things planning, it just lined up so perfectly. First in the month, a Sunday, my birthday month. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I thank you guys so much. If you're here right now still watching, thank you guys so much, because you're the real one. You're the OG. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope it gave you some motivation. I hope you can get to know me a little bit more, and I hope that you seeing my life helps in some way, or it's just entertainment, or whatever the case is. Thank you for being here. So have a good day.